Microsoft Word is a word processing application that is used to type, edit, format, print, and also save a created document. This is the initial usage of Microsoft Word as a software, but this particular software also have some capabilities, some hidden functionalities that can perform some design, some creation of shapes, and other magical elements. Now, in Microsoft Word, we have the shapes library, which can be accessed on the Insert tab, and when you click on the Insert tab, you have the illustrations group and you have shapes. Now, in these shapes, you have a lot of shapes available. You have the lines shapes, you have the rectangles shapes, you have the basic shapes, we have the block arrows, the equations, we have the flow chart, and we have other shapes available. Now, in these shapes, we don't have a circle, we don't have a sphere, and also we don't have a cone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a circle that is a perfect circle with its height and width as equal inches or diameter, and also show you how you can extend this to create a sphere and also a cone in Microsoft Word. If you are new to this particular software, if you want to learn the basics and elements, I have a full detailed video that teaches you all the interface of Microsoft Word. And also, when you have access to that, it gives you the confidence and also the productivity level of handling this particular software. So now let's get back to this video. I said I am going to show you how to create a perfect circle, a sphere, and also a cone. This is going to be a magical thing to you in Microsoft Word if you don't know that this particular effect exists in this particular software. So let's jump right in and let me show you how to create this individual shapes. I am going to move to a different page. So let's assume I want to create the shapes here. Perfect. I'm going to provide this space for these individual shapes. So to start, let's move to the Insert tab and then choose shapes and then choose the oval shape. Now that we have the oval shape selected, if I try to draw, this is going to give me the ellipse, or this is going to give me the egg shape, that is the oval shape. But if I want to have a perfect circle, I'll hold the shift key on the keyboard and draw this perfect circle. Beautiful. This shape is not available in Microsoft Word. You need to use the oval shape, then you use the combination of the keyboard and the mouse to create this perfect circle. Now we have this perfect circle. How can we create a sphere? Perfectly. We are not going to move back to this shape once again. We are going to depend on this circle and create our sphere. So I'll select this and hold Ctrl+D on the keyboard. This makes a duplicate of this circle, and let me place it here. Now that we have this, I can change the color of this circle. Then I can change the outline. I'll do the same for this. Change the outline. Now that we have this, how can we use the circle to create a sphere? This is what we are going to do. We right click on this shape and choose format shape in this list. You can also get access to this dialog box. When you select this shape, you can move to the shape format. In the shape styles group, we have this arrow here. You click, and this also provides you with the format shape dialog box or window. Now in these three options, let's click on the middle one, which is effect. Then we move to 3D rotation, and then in presets we have this arrow. You click, and I'm going to choose this option that says off axles 1 top. This is going to turn this circle upside down to have it flat on this surface. Now we have this. Let's move back to 3D format. So we are going to collapse the 3D rotation. Let's select this option, and for the top bevel we are going to choose round. Then we move back to bottom level or bottom bevel and choose round as well. So we have these two effects given to this particular shape. Now you can see how this is becoming. It has been a conical in shape, looking like a sphere. So we are going to play with this width and height of this top bevel and also bottom bevel. Then we are going to have some simple calculation here. Whilst we have this selected, when we move to the shape format, we have the size group and we have these dimensions given to this particular shape. We are going to use one of this and multiply it by 36, and we are going to enter the output into this field. So I'm going to open the calculator on my Windows. So I'm going to type this figure, which is 2.62. Then I'm going to multiply this by 36 and then hit the equal to sign. Now we have 94.32. You can click and drag, right click and choose copy. Now let's close this calculator, and now let's move back to our 3D format and get access to our top bevel and also bottom bevel. So we are going to copy this into the width of the top bevel, so Ctrl+V. Then we move to the height, click and drag, Ctrl+V. Now we have a semi-sphere created, as you can see, very beautiful. Now we move back to the bottom bevel, we click and drag, Ctrl+V, click and drag, Ctrl+V, and now we have this beautiful sphere created. You can go back to the shape fill and change the color to any color of your choice, and you can see how this sphere looks like, very beautiful in Microsoft Word. Now the last shape is the cone. I'm going to select this circle, hold Ctrl+D, so for this particular circle we are going to base on it to create our 3D cone, and to do this we need the assistance of the format shape window. So we move to this particular window, and I'm going to select the top bevel, choose this arrow, and then in these bevels we are going to choose angle. Then we move back to 3D rotation, choose the preset, and I'm going to use this particular option. Now we move back to the 3D format, and we are going to play with the width and height of this particular shape. So I'm going to select this, drag and type a figure of 200. So this become the height of this particular shape. So as you can see, you can reduce the size if you want to do so, just using this arrow, or you can type a figure over there that is maybe 170. Then we move to the width, and maybe we type 120 here, and see what we had here, a very beautiful 3D cone created in Microsoft Word. So now that we have this, see how beautiful it looks like. You can even move further below and change the lightening of this particular shape. So you play along with this lightening option. You can also change the color as well, so maybe black. Any color that you want to change this, you can do so. Then you can move back to the height and the width. You can play with the height. That is how big or large that you want it to be. Perfect. So this is how to create a circle, a sphere, and also a cone in Microsoft Word using a very simple basic shape in Microsoft Word. Hope you've learned something in this video. Give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe to be part of this great community. Please drop your comment, drop your question, and we are ever ready to assist you and attend to your comment. See you in the next video.